lunch quack, the finch, and the chickster. Finch right there with his shiny coat, his shiny armor. And here's chicken, the yellow bird. He smells like a chicken too, so that's there for if you ever smell chicken and you smell chicken or dog, he smells exactly like a chicken. So therefore his name is chicken. And look at Mr. Curious Kid. Oh, he's checking out whatever's behind this wall. He does that often. Tries to figure out what's behind walls. Tries to climb them. He can jump them. He jumps high. He can jump this fence if he wanted to. I've seen him jump big bushes to try for a dog. So very athletic dog. There's a old lady putting some sort of chemical on the grass, so I'm gonna put the dogs to that. And I remember this house. This house has a Tesla, and it has a Tesla roof. Uh, I remember seeing them putting it on when it was being put on. And it's kind of easy to spot those Tesla roofs. And the weather is finally feeling very comfortable. I think we're like in the low 60s today, 60s Fahrenheit. I know some of the viewers probably go by centigrades. I don't know what the centigrade temperature is. And then there's two dogs in that house, and there's one dog in that house, a white dog. There used to be two, and this guy and that guy used to go at it, barking at each other. Because of two dogs, four dogs, two on each side behind, in a fence in between means war. You open that gate and stop barking at each other. Well, there's a cook in here. Look at this shiny coat. Look at this shiny coat. This shiny armor. All right, that's the update.